Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Debra Cabasta Home Living, guys. Today I am taking part in a collaboration hosted by KRAFTY LEENY and um, Catherine, A Perfect Place to Start. Guys, I will have their channels link in my description box, and this collaboration um, happens every month, every third Thursday of each month. This is an open collaboration for anybody that wants to take part in. Guys, it's of course, this is a tier tray challenge. Guys, I'm going to try my best to do a patriotic tier tray. So as you guys can see, I have my tier tray here. So it's a small one, so I could keep it on the top of the thing. I mean, it's not going to stay here. It's going to be moved, but this is the best place that I have to decorate it. Guys, it's going to be a playlist, and I'm sorry, I have to read because I don't remember. It's going to be a playlist, and we are to use their flyer. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. I live in a very busy street. We are to use their flyer, and of course, it's also going to be a hashtag, which is Tier Trade Thursday. So, guys, those are the rules, and of course, we have to link, like I said, the hostess channels, both for the ladies, and the playlist in the description box. So, yeah, guys, and the best rule is just have fun with it. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do that I want to place here in my tier tray, I know it's a little big, but I like it so much, which is Declaration of Independence plate. This one right here, I will be placing it on my tier tray on the top here. So guys, sorry about my back. I want to place that here, and I want to decorate my tier tray around this. Guys, I'm also going to add, I have some things that are from the Dollar Tree that I already have it for a couple of years. So everything that you see here, I already had. I didn't purchase anything except one thing. I'm going to add this little party favor thing that you use to put on your table. So yeah, I want to place this right here in the back, so it will look like so. I want to add some flowers, of course, red, white, and blue, as you guys can see. I think I'm also going to put the flowers on the top because I want the top to look full. I know you guys cannot see it from that side, but it will be able to be seen from the other side because the tier tray is going to be seen from both sides where I'm going to put it. Guys, of course, this is another Dollar Tree decor that I got from a while back. I don't like the horn, but I cannot take it out. So, I don't know, maybe I add like a star to it in there. Let's see if I could do that. Well, the star broke, but what do you guys think? A big star. So I want to place him right here. He doesn't fit looking straight forward, so I'm going to put it sideways like this. Guys, I'm also going to add, this is a bandana from the Dollar Tree. This is the only thing that I purchased new. So I want to add this as well. Let me post you guys right there, and then I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, I'm also adding some greenery and some, I don't know what do you guys call these little flowers. I'm adding some of these tiny little flowers as well to fill it up some gaps, whatever gaps I have. And of course, I will be adding some in the back. I'm also going to add a little tea light candle and a little lamp. This was a gift from me from a long time ago. This is actually glass and this is metal. What I did was I put inside there those little lights from the Dollar Tree. These ones are blue and it has a battery pack. So I took the battery pack and I wrapped it in a napkin. So like that the batteries don't show. So let me turn that on for you guys. I'm trying to make it quick because I want this to be a short video. So that's what it's looking like. But at night, I know it will look really nice. So I want to place this here on the bottom. So it will be, hold on guys, I'm sorry. I'm having a little bit of difficulty because the handle gets on the way. So I want to place that here on the bottom there. And also I have this little blue little cup. I don't know. This is with a black light. It'll glow really bright. But I don't have a little light like that. So I want to put this little tea light candle in it. So battery operated. And I want to place this one here on the top, or maybe no, yeah, I want to put it on the top so the plate could be seen at night with the light. I'll put it right here next to it, like this, so you can see that. And I have a big empty spot here, but I don't know what to put in there, so I'm going to add some more greenery. I'm missing my gnome, because that's the one that I want to put in there, but I can't find him anywhere. I think he ran away from me and he's hiding. So now, guys, I know I'm being silly. I want to put some of this Dollar Tree scatter that I've been saving for a while, which I use for just to fill up spaces. So I want to place some around the greenery and fill up some spaces. Just scatter it in the back, like, you know. But I know I gotta look for my gnome. I'm gonna have to go to my basement and look for one of my boxes. So yeah, guys. And guys, I also want to mention I have a collaboration coming up for on the 31st. If you want to know more details, the invite video is on my channel, so guys can check it out for those that want to take part. And I want to say thank you to the ladies for hosting. And remember, guys, this is a collaboration host every month. And guys, I think I'm done. I think I am done. Yeah, guys, I am done. It's simple, it's patriotic, so let me bring you guys close. So guys, I hope you guys like it. That's my plate, and this is what my tier tray is looking like. Very patriotic, and I hope you guys like it. Let me see if I could give you guys the look in the back. Yeah, that's what it looks like from the back. Yeah, guys, let me come here and leave it like I always say. Guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be until the next one. Bye-bye, guys.